With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here our question is, see, using the bond enthalpy data given below, estimate the enthalpy of formation of the gaseous isoprene. So this is the structure of isoprene given, okay, and this is the bond enthalpy data is given. For CH bond it is 413.38, for the CC bond it is 347.69, and for C double bond C bond it is 615.05 kilojoule per mole. Enthalpy of sublimation of carbon graphite is given 718.39 kilojoule per mole, and enthalpy of dissociation for the hydrogen gaseous atom is given 435.97 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so here let's see your isoprene structure. What is isoprene? Here see, it is given the structure of isoprene is CH2 double bond C, here CH double bond CH2, here CH3. Okay, this is the structure of your isoprene, and you can clearly see that in the structure of isoprene, 2 carbon single bond carbon bond, 2 carbon double bond carbon bonds, and 8 carbon hydrogen bonds are present in the structure of isoprene. So if you calculate the total energy released, it will be equals to addition of all the enthalpy of bonds, that is 2 into CC bond enthalpy given is 347.69. so 2 into 347.69 plus 2 into C double bond C bond enthalpy, that is 615.05, plus 8 into carbon hydrogen bond. Carbon hydrogen bond is 413.38. So 413.38. By adding all these enthalpy, you will get 5232.52 kilojoule per mole. This is the amount of energy released or for the gaseous atom. So delta H for the gaseous atoms are 5232.52 kilojoule per mole. Now see the delta H of formation. If you write the equation, 5C gaseous atom plus 8H gaseous atom, it will form C5H8. that is the molecular formula of isoprene. It is also in gaseous. So the delta H of formation will be equals to, formation is always negative, so here formation is minus 5232.52 kilojoule per mole. Okay, but we need to calculate, we didn't need to calculate the delta H of formation for this reaction. Actually we want delta H of formation, corresponding to the following reaction, and the reaction is this. The reaction I will write here: 5C graphite plus 4H2 gas gives out C5H8 gas. We need to find the delta H of formation for this particular reaction. Okay, now see how we will calculate. Here 5C graphite is your solid, can be converted into 5C gaseous by using heat of sublimation, right? And heat of sublimation, so here delta H of formation, it will be equals to, how many atoms are present? 5, right? So 5 into heat of sublimation given in the question is 718.39 kilojoule per mole. Okay, similarly 4H2 gas, this is your molecule, so we need to dissociate these molecule into 8H in gaseous atom, and it will be equals to 8 into enthalpy of dissociation of H2 molecule, which is given in the question, is 435.97 kilojoule per mole. Okay, now see, 5C gaseous atom plus 8H gaseous atom forms C5H8 gas. Okay, this we have already calculated, which is equals to minus 5232.52 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3 reactions are generated. So for getting this reaction A, by these three equations, we will add all these three equations. So adding all three equations, by adding all these three equations, you will get the equation A. So you will get delta H of formation is equals to 103.31 kilojoule per mole. We have just added, so here the value of delta HF will also get added. So you will get 103.31 kilojoule per mole is the delta H of formation. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.